मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
जय हिंद
जय हिंद
Namaste everyone.
नमस्ते
I am Sudarshan from Tamil Nadu, from Perur Jai Hind Farmers Producer Company Limited. हमारा CBPO की भारत एग्रो मार्केटिंग कोऑपरेटिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. So we are going to share my FPO story. So you all people will know how we are working in that chapter. Okay. So first thing is that our FPO has started in the year of 2022. So we initially started the business called fertilizer and pesticides. So उर्वरक बहुत ज़रूरी है, कृषि की बहुत ज़रूरी इनपुट है. So आपको FPO मैं फील्ड के जाऊंगा. Crop recommendations we are doing that, and we are doing the crop production and production ideas. So with that we are achieving the turnover is about 6,36,000 per year. So the fertilizers like urea, DAP, potash and Factombas we are selling it to the farmers. And the second thing is that we are also selling the water solubles. That will increase the farmers the income, and also it is beneficial to the farming community. The second thing is that seeds. Seeds, it's very important factor for farmers scheme. So we are the official distributors of seeds like MNC like Saivi seeds and Ashoka seeds and PHS brand. So with this we are secured the turnover is about 1,08,280 rupees. So agri input है बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I have seen many FPOs that they are not started at fertilizer and pesticides output. So my humble suggestion is that आप please start करेंगे उसको fertilizer and pesticides unit है. Then vegetable trading. My FPO is specially allocated for the vegetable. So our neighborhood state Kerala. So during the time of Onam, Vishu and Puram, we are supplying the vegetables and flowers to our FPOs. So our CBPO is Banco. It consists of 28 FPOs in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry. So we are one circle. So आप Vishwaguru, आप so we have to develop it. So we are doing that. We are selling the flowers and vegetables to the during the festival seasons. And mulching sheet. You people know mulching sheets. What is mulching sheet? It will reduce the herbicides cost of the farmers, and it will increase the yield. So we are the official distributors of the AgriPlus company. With this we secured about 1,04,000 rupees turnover. And second thing is drip irrigation. We are doing the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. So this was organized by Government of India. We are the official dealers of the Phenolex Plaza Private Limited. So the farmers who are willing to make a drip irrigation in the field, we are installing the field drip irrigations also. So this will very beneficial to the farmers and also to the FPO. So so far we are installed the drip irrigation about 25 acres through the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. So the nutmeg in Hindi में जायफल है. This बहुत turnover बड़ा है. Means we are from the Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu.